These might be Motorola's most premium earbuds yet. These are the all-new Moto Buds 2 Plus, featuring sound by Bose, dynamic active noise cancellation, Bluetooth 6.0, and up to 40 hours of battery life. Let's unbox them and see if they really deliver that flagship audio experience. First impressions, the packaging already feels super clean and premium. On the front, you've got the Moto Buds 2 Plus branding, and one of the standout features straight away, sound by Bose. Inside, we get the Moto Buds 2 Plus themselves, the charging case, multiple ear tip sizes, and then the quick start documentation. The case feels really compact and pocketable. Matte finish, clean design, and honestly, very premium in hand. The buds themselves have a really sleek look. At Motorola, we've really kept them lightweight and comfortable, but packed in some serious tech. Each bud features a triple microphone system, so that's 6 microphones in total, helping both active noise cancellation and call clarity. And yes, these are IP54 rated, so they handle workout, rain, and everyday use without any issues. Pairing is ridiculously quick thanks to Bluetooth 6.0. And one of the features I love is dual connection, meaning these can stay connected to 2 devices at the same time. So you can jump from your laptop to your phone instantly without needing to reconnect. Now let's talk sound, because this is where these really step up. These feature sound by Bose tuning, and honestly, you can hear it immediately. The audio sounds rich, balanced, and surprisingly detailed for earbuds this compact. You've also got high-res audio support, plus spatial audio support for a much wider soundstage when watching content or listening to music. One of the headline features here is dynamic active noise cancellation. Active noise cancelling that automatically adapts to your environment. And if you do want to hear your surroundings, there's also transparency mode built in. These genuinely feel like Motorola's most complete earbuds yet. Premium sound, strong active noise cancellation, great battery life, and a really clean design. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Hello, Moto.